Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with entering the settings and hello. And here we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it was 40 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can also check the unlocks and the notifications count. You can either tap inside this graph and show the dashboard, which will show you the specific time in particular days of the week so you can compare them. And under it, you've got the list of the apps and the specific time you've spent on them. Or you can tap directly on the app, so for example the settings, camera, phone, or any other app you've got here. And again, you will have the dashboard, but this time tightly connected with this one app, which is also quite cool. You've got also the ways to disconnect, and I highly recommend to check them. So for example, the focus mode, you will be able to choose some distracting apps, for example some kind of social media. You will be able to mark them. Set the schedule, you can choose particular days and the time in the week, and after turning it on, your device will simply hide the notifications from them, so you won't be that easily distracted. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.